Welcome to the Independence Public Library's Maker Monday. Our craft this week is going to be 4th of July pinwheel. To do this craft, you'll need a kit from the library. The kit will include your pinwheel pattern, paper, a beautiful flower for the front of it, a set of crayons, and 2 small connectors to connect your pinwheel to your stick. Go ahead and take your paper, color it, design it any way you want to. I put stripes on mine. Color both sides any way you want to. When you've completed that, go ahead and start the video again. After you've completed coloring both sides of your pinwheel, go ahead and grab the long connector piece, stick it through the center hole, push it all the way up to the cup end, where it stops. There'll be a little bit of an edge there. You'll see it. Okay. Now, the smaller connector piece, there's an end that has a bigger edge to it. You want that edge to be facing out. Push that on. Okay. So the bigger edge is up here. The smaller edge is towards the middle. Okay, next step, we take each one of these holes on the edge of your pinwheel and slip it over that connector onto that small piece that you just put on. Carefully get those on there. Okay. You want that to stay on that smaller connector. Okay, one more to go. Okay, once all 4 pieces are on there, okay. Now, if you wanted to color your flower in, that's fine. If not, that's fine too. You'll want to stick that on. Through all those edges too. Okay, so then your pinwheel should look like this, colored of course. Now, the cup part of our connector goes on the end of our stick. And there you go. There's your pinwheel. Hopefully it's much prettier than mine. I'm sure it is. Congratulations, you've done a wonderful job. Thank you for joining us today. A few of the books that we have at the library about the 4th of July and maybe some projects you could do are My 4th of July by Jerry Spinelli, Let's Celebrate with Independence Day Origami by Ruth Owen, Awesome Paper Projects You Can Create by Marnie Ventura, and Happy Birthday America by Mary Pope Osborne. Thank you for joining us. Hope to see you soon.